Alright guys, this is a before and after shot of how a roof looks when it's clean. See these black streaks over here to the right, and to the left is where we have cleaned. You can see a huge difference. Alright, now we're gonna switch and give you an aerial view so you can see the full picture. Now you can see a full shot of all these black streaks that are on the roof, and that is actually mold that has accumulated on this roof over time. We use a low pressure application to clean roofs. That's very important because if you use high pressure you can damage it. So it's very important that you choose a professional company when doing this, so you don't have anyone come out and blast the shingles off your roof and ruin the warranty on them. If you're looking for somebody to clean your roof in Southeast Missouri, give us a call, 573-340-5401.